Winner, winner, chicken dinner. What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
First and foremost, thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel, not just the ones that participated in the giveaway. Without you guys' support, without you guys' love, you know, I probably would have stopped a long time ago, but the fact that so many of you guys are behind me on this amazing journey really pushes me and motivates me to continue to make videos and continue to share my vegan journey with you guys. With all that being said, thank you to everyone who participated in the 100 subscriber giveaway. All you had to do was comment below the video when you found my channel, hashtag Really Talking About. Now, the video didn't get as many comments as I thought it was gonna get. So with that being said, instead of me doing a giveaway every 100 subscribers, my next giveaway is gonna be at 500 subscribers. You know, my channel grows the way I expected it to do. You guys are like, yo, y'all the OG subscribers, you know, so it's very important, you know, that I give back to you guys, man, because without you guys' love and support, there's no foundation. So. All right, guys, I'm at the 100 subscriber giveaway video. I'm going to look through the comments, and I'm going to put all the names of everyone who entered the giveaway correctly into this random name picker, okay? Now, just to show you guys how it works, I'm just going to type in like random basketball teams. Cavs, Wizards, Heat, I don't know, Raptors, Warriors, let's say like Spurs. All right, so I got the, 6 teams in here. Pick a random name. Heat, so Heat will be my first winner. Pick a random name. Raptors will be my second winner. Pick a random name. Spurs will be my third winner. That's how I'm going to do the giveaway. All right, so y'all stay tuned. All right, I have all the names of everyone who entered in the comments. It was only 10 names, surprisingly, very low compared to what I thought it was going to be. I guess people didn't like the giveaway idea, but good luck to the people who did. And let's see. All right, for the first winner, let's see, Victoria Robles. All right, congratulations, Victoria. I'll be getting in contact with you so I can send you off your gift. Thank you so much for the support. And for the second winner, we have Spyros William. Congratulations, man. Thank you so much for the support. I'll be contacting you so you can get your gift. And for the third and final winner of the 100 subscriber giveaway is, pick a random name, Rafiq Barnes. My man, Rafiq. I'm going to be contacting you soon, to get your contact information so you can receive your gift. Thank you to everyone who participated. The next giveaway will be at 500 subscribers. So if you did not win, that is okay. Once we reach 500 subscribers, the next giveaway will be bigger and better. You guys have 72 hours after I contact you to respond. If you do not respond, I will pick another winner. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about?
We about to hit downtown LA.
What are you talking about?
Yeah. Downtown, you know.
Yeah. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Wow, wow, wow. What he talking about?
What he talking about?
What you talking about?